Hi, my name is Adriana Mata. I will show you how Agile impacts work. We have three different modules or products. One is a grant or funding opportunities application assistant. Second is impact canvas. It's the way where companies can craft their impact indicators and submit their data. And third, some data collection products. In this case, it's smart WhatsApp surveys. I'll show you first the funding opportunities application helper. One of the things we do is we have a database of more than billions of dollars. And what we do is we web scrap different websites. We do that every time. So we can have these different opportunities where we craft and process in a way that for the company is easy to know the funding opportunity, the deadline for applying, the summary, and even the deliverables they have to submit in order to apply for this fund or opportunity. But of course, it's boring to have to look for all different opportunities. So one of the features we have is the possibility to match their grants or the funding opportunities with the companies. This match is made with AI, it's automatic, so the company only will see the opportunities that really are a good fit for them. In this case, the user can either accept or discard an opportunity. In this case, I will accept this one. And once I do it, I see it in my active funding opportunities. And once I have it here, I can, for example, add it to the calendar, which is something easy. But the most important part is the possibility to create an automatic Google form with all the questions and answers of this application according to my business. All this information here, it's about the company, and it already has all the information, so it's crafted in minutes. So this is the part of the grant. Now, as I told you in the application, one of the most important parts of this is the data for the companies or from the companies. So the other product we have or model is the impact indicators software. And how it works. First, it will ask me the name of the company. Let's say I put this, a fintech company. The second, what it asks me is the website, because it web scrap the website too. Then it will ask me some description or objective or goal of the solution. Very quick. And the last thing it will ask me is who's the beneficiary, where I want to see the impact. It can be either people, the environment, firms, in case the companies have a B2B model or whatever. I can even have more space for a better classification of this target customer or beneficiary. And then this is a way where I can put a cross-section category in case that, for example, the founder is interested in aggregated data from gender equality, vulnerable population, job creation, climate change, or whatever is the interest for the founder. In minutes, it will craft a basic theory of change, which is one of the most used methodologies in impact, and the list of impact indicators completely personalized for the company. Here you can see the different indicators. For example, it puts some reports in employment because I asked them that I want a job creation aggregation indicator, and different indicators that are really matched with my company and with what the founder needs.